Hi, my name is Fernanda Camacho and this is my video explaining what we did during lab practice number 2. For this practice we worked with Kirchhoff's law to analyze both series in parallel and in circuit. Our goal was to compare the theoretical values with the values measured with the multimeter. First we built a series circuit using different resistors and we powered it with a 5-volt source. We measured the voltage across each resistor and compared it to the calculated values. So we observed that the measured voltages match with the theoretical values almost exactly, which confirmed that Kirchhoff's voltage law holds the truth that the sum of the voltage drops is equal to the supplied voltage. Then we measured the current in each resistor, and since the circuit was in series, all the currents were practically the same, and again it was very close to the calculated values, confirming the expected behavior for these circuits. In the second part we built a parallel circuit. Here we measured the current in each branch and also in the total current supplied by the source. So the sum of the individual currents match the total current, verifying again the Kirchhoff's current law. Then we confirm that in a parallel circuit the voltage across all the branches is always the same. And then we perform the test with 2 series power supplies, one with 8 volts and the other with 5 volts. Analytically, we should have obtained 13 volts with the voltmeter. But we got 12.9 volts, so it was like a very minimum difference. And finally, for point 9, we were asked to connect the same power supplies but in parallel. However, this should not be done because connecting 2 power supplies with different voltages in parallel creates a cortocircuito. In that case, each power supplies tries to impose like their own voltage, resulting in a very high voltages between the outputs. So it could damage the power supply. So we didn't do this point. And analytically, if both power supplies were ideal, there would be a voltage conflict, and the circuit would be like indeterminate. So well. For this practice, that's all we did, and it showed us what we were doing in class. Thank you so much.